Your Keyfile document server is installed by default in the kfdocserve subdirectory on your chosen server and on the chosen drive. Underneath this directory you have 4 other folders: a bin, db, init and log directory. I'll go through each of these in turn. The bin folder holds all of the program files to run your Keyfile document server. KDS start and nkds stop allow you to start and stop the service on your Keyfile document server. These are useful to be included in batch files or at the start and end of backup routines. nkds serve is the actual program which runs the Keyfile document server. ncnm is the network communications program which manages the TCP/IP or NetBIOS protocols that you're using. The DB directory can be stored underneath the kfdocserve or can be stored somewhere else. You can move these folders with impunity as long as you modify the pointers to these folders in the KDS INI file to be seen in a moment. Here you can see the Office store, which is the system store. It's made up of a series of folders with a label to identify the folder, a hexadecimal number identifying the folder, and then a series of subfolders which go down to the actual objects themselves. Notice the format of these objects: 000000 and then here c2.kob actually tells you where this object resides, because the first 6 digits of that object refer to the folder structure itself. The init subdirectory is the most important directory first of all, because it holds a KDS INI file and is also the place that you install your KDS license file, known as kds.lic. Your KDS INI file holds all of the settings to do with your Keyfile document server. Most of these settings are going to be made for you and are automatic, but you are allowed to change these settings should you wish to, and you understand how to make changes. Finally, for problem resolution, it's very important to know where to find your KDS logs. Here you can see a number of logs and a CNV file. The CNV is used to show you what documents have been converted from 2.3 format to version 7 format. If you have a newer Keyfile document server, this file will always be empty. Here you can see the latest log file in the format year, month and date. If I open up the log file, you'll see information to do with who has logged on, who has logged off, and any sessions.